Huh?
Come up.
Can't see anything. Huh? I can't see even if I can't see. I mean, I can't see. I can't see if I'm seeing any. Okay, you're not understanding what I'm saying. I can't see this.
Point in that direction.
Well, I don't know what I'm getting. Okay, go that way. Get him out of the sun. Okay, that's it, Allison. You know, no one cares about you. You're split from one end to the other, and he just walks away with a baby. So much for you being the baby. Leave that stuff, Allison. I'll come get it.
My laptop's in there.
Oh, shoot. I'm missing the baby then. Can you see your sign? It says, "Welcome home, Xavier." And this is your home. Where did your papa take you?
My name is Sharon Waddy.
I don't know where you went.
There's a little head thing.
Okay, apparently he doesn't like laying down.
It's okay.
She wouldn't come in without her laptop.
Hey.
Okay, I gotta go. Here.
We're going.
I gotta go back to work. Be back.
Okay, we'll see you when you get back.
Oh yeah, the thing fell off.
Where is it?
I have it over there. Oh God.
What?
My stomach hurts. It's the most moving I've done in 9 months.
Hey.
No? You're not digging it in there? But this is your bed. You have to like it. You're probably hungry still, huh? I love how you be quiet every time I pick him up.
Yeah. That's what they do.
You want Chichi, you don't want kisses.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Dad, here's your camera.
All right.